we are into September at this point, so I'd assume at sometime in the next, what's up, brother? Sometime in the next few weeks, it's gonna get colder. It's already been getting colder. This is the first nice day we've had in like, I don't know. Oh, what is that? This is the first nice day we've had in like a week and a half now. We're gonna go this way. You can go back here and just tear it up, man. Tear it up on the dirty little rebel. Yeah, buddy. Oh shit. Yeah, this is where I should have came to practice the drifts. This is the spot. I don't want to drop the bike though, so we're not gonna fuck around today. Oh, look at this little trail. Where's that trail go? Oh my god. Oh, it goes to the actual trail. Oh no, we're fucked. Oh, this is bad. This is not good. Put it in neutral. We gotta walk her back. Walk her back. Walk her back. I see. So this is like a parking lot, so you can park and get on the trail. We got a little bit more to go. Whew. Don't mind me. Oh, fuck. Fuck, bud. My fault. We said we wanted to go adventure biking. We're doing it. Oh shit. Now if I had the Talaria, I'd ride the bike path. It says tier 1 e-bikes are allowed, which I don't think the Talaria is a tier 1, to be honest. I think it's a higher level, but why not? It'd be fun. Oh shit. But yeah, it's been like 50s and 60s, man, the last like 2 weeks. So rode a little bit, but I didn't record any videos. Right now the bike is my only mode of transportation, so if I'm gonna go anywhere, it's gonna be on this guy. So, you know, we've been riding, just not enough. I'm trying to hit that 3,000 mark, and yeah, I mean, we got plenty of time left this year. We'll hit it probably in the next week or so with how much I've been driving. Oh shit. Good times. I'm like a little kid in a candy shop. So yeah, hopefully you all enjoyed my little ramble, my little adventure there.